Hi, I'm Miss Shanna from the Winter Park Public Library. I'm the children's librarian here, and today I have a project from the Morse Museum to share with you. And if you would like to do this project at home, then you go to the Morse Museum's website, morsemuseum.org, and create and explore, and then go to the activities. Today's project is the DIY segmented squash puzzle. So for this project, you'll need the puzzle printout from the Morse Museum site. You'll need part of a cereal box or cracker box. You need colored pencils, scissors, and glue. I'm using Aleene's Tacky Glue, but regular school liquid Elmer's glue would work also. I think you'll probably want something a little stronger than just a glue stick. So first, we're just going to color in our puzzle pieces, and you can look up this piece of art on the Morse Museum's website as well to see how it's colored. And I'm just going to start by coloring in this squash right here. And you can use multiple colors of your colored pencils to create shades and shadows. So there's my squash. You're going to color the whole thing in, and when you're done, you will have a fully colored in sheet like this. And then we're going to just cut it out around the outside. Now it's all cut out, and the next step is to glue it onto our box. I'm going to glue it onto the printed side of the box instead of the brown side, because that will leave me the brown side on the bottom. Just take my glue. You want to cover the back as well as you can. Squeeze some on and then use a larger paintbrush to smooth it out all over the whole thing. The other thing you could do is if you had Mod Podge at home, you could Mod Podge it to this cardboard, and that would seal it 100%. Put a layer of Mod Podge on the back side of your puzzle, and then lay it down, and then another layer on top. All right, so now that we've got it glued, if you're at home doing this, you maybe let the glue dry just a little bit before you cut. But we can cut the outside edges to start with. Just like before, I'm going to cut along the outside edge. Okay, so the outside's all cut off. Now you can see the puzzle piece design inside the squash picture. So we are just going to cut out on these puzzle piece lines. I'll start here with this one. Here. If you don't get this exact, we did a DIY puzzle as part of one of our other classes here at the library, and it is okay if it's not 100% perfect, because they'll all match up when you put them together. So we're going to cut out all of these pieces. Now we have all 9 of our puzzle pieces cut out, and we can put our puzzle back together. So we can look at our drawing to help guide us. There we go. That goes there. This way. Let's see, we may have to turn it again. Yes. there's our puzzle. I'm going to turn it around. This way. There we are. So that was the segmented squash DIY puzzle from the Morse Museum. And if you'd like to make your own or see what other activities and projects that they have, please visit their website, morsemuseum.org. And this is Miss Shanna from the Winter Park Public Library, and we are happy to be working with the Morse Museum today. Bye.